Okay, so let's talk about specifically about when it is a good time to actually use the send a special email trigger feature. Sorry. Okay, so firstly, as per normal, you name the special email and you have a template for it because the system needs to pull from that. Special emails can only be sent to staff or actually to customers, specifically the contacts of the customers. One of the most awesome things that you can do with this is you can actually send a email to a staff member or a contact, provided you have created the custom field date of birth, and you can trigger this every year, meaning you can send them an email, a happy birthday, for their message. So how do you do that? Okay, so firstly, you need to do the DOB field in both the customer settings as well as the employee. So therefore you create a new field. As you can see here, I already have a new field for contacts. The field name is date of birth, and I'm showing it on both my client portal as well as within my tables. Okay, I haven't made it a mandatory field as yet. I'm not very good at actually getting the date of birth from all the customers, but I can also do this for my staff members, and I have been very bad and I haven't done it yet, so let's do it together. So for staff member, name of field, DOB, type, it would be a date selector, so it's a date picker because it's a specific type. I'm not going to say it's required. I am going to show it on the table, so if I don't happen to get their birthdays, then it won't be there. So now when you look at your staff member section, you're going to see all our staff members now. I'm just going to open one of them. You will now see that I have a field for date of birth. And you'll have the same thing with your client. Thereby, let's go back to the main screen quickly. Therefore, I now can, as you see, I can send a email, happy birthday, to my customer. This will be sent at 10 a.m. every year. So it will look at when is the DOB, the date of birth date, populated, and then it'll pull and it'll send them this very pretty email that me and ChatGPT put together. And now I'm going to be a good person. Let's see, I've got one set up for staff as well, so I'm just going to name this happy birthday staff, and that email will also go out, and we'll make it my first thought in the morning, and it will go to the date of birth field, and it will go every year as well. Okay, so the frequency that we can send here and the trigger is based on specifically a date something was created. So it's good for like an anniversary where it's going to be possibly every year, or possibly something that you need to tell a client every month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or annually. That's when we use special mails.